Now, since you use Git to manage your source code for an application or website or anything like that, we need some source code in order to play around with Git. That's why attached to this video, you find an index.html file, which is a file that would display a very simple website, which we will use as a project and as a starting point to dive into Git. You find this file attached, and you should move that file into a folder somewhere on your system, which you then open as a project with your favorite code editor. Here, in my case, I'm using Visual Studio Code, which is an amazing, very fast, and totally free code editor and IDE, which you can download from code.visualstudio.com. It's a very powerful IDE that offers tons of configuration options and extensions that you can install into it, and you can download it for all operating systems on that website. However, it's not a must-use. You can use any IDE for this course, since this is also not a coding or development course, but instead will focus on GitHub Actions later. Now, once you did open the folder that contains this index.html file with your favorite editor, you're ready to go. By the way, here I also got a .vs code folder that holds some project-specific editor settings. For example, the zoom level I set here, you don't need that folder or these settings. I did only add these settings for recording purposes here. So here we got this index.html file, we got our starting project. How can we now use Git with that?